Everyone goes through ups and downs in life. There are moments of great sorrow, losing money in a failed deal, dropping cash on the street, or God forbid, the loss of a loved one. These moments can feel overwhelming and heartbreaking, often leading a person to retreat into themselves. The question is, how do we deal with such challenges? There's a profound teaching from Beruraya, the wife of Rabbi Meir Baal Hanes. She taught us to view everything we have in life as a deposit from God. If we train ourselves to think this way, that money, our home, our car, even our children, are merely entrusted to us for a time, then even when something is lost, we can respond differently. Instead of feeling anger, we can thank God for the time we had with what was given to us. There's a story about Rabbi Avraham Zalmanovitz, who later became the head of the Novardok Yeshiva. In his youth, before the Holocaust, he studied in a yeshiva during a time of great poverty. Students had nowhere to live and often slept on benches in the study hall. Zalmanovitz managed to rent a bed in a widow's home, where she provided him with a slice of bread and butter for lunch each day. One day he was late and a cat ate the butter. When he arrived, the widow apologized, saying, "Today, you'll only have bread. The cat ate the butter." But Zalmanovitz replied calmly, "The cat didn't eat my butter. If the cat ate it, it wasn't mine to begin with. It was always the cat's butter. God decided that from the start." A person who lives with faith, believing that everything is directed by God, understands that no one can take away what is meant for them. This perspective transforms how we face challenges. Even if a shopkeeper sees a competitor open a similar store across the street, it might sting at first. But someone with faith knows, what's meant for me is mine, and what's meant for them is theirs. Instead of seeing the competitor as a threat, they see them as just another business owner. Faith gives us the strength to live with joy, confidence, and peace of mind, no matter what challenges come our way.